5 ways to save your marriage before it's too late. Most marriages don't fail overnight. They slowly drift until two people who once chose each other start living like strangers. But before divorce becomes the final chapter, there are still things that can save it. Here are 5 ways to save a marriage before it's too late. 1. Start talking about feelings again. Not bills, not chores, not schedules. Real conversations. The kind where you ask, "Are you happy with us?" Many marriages die not from conflict, but from conversations that stopped happening. 2. Bring back appreciation. In the beginning, everything was noticed. "Thank you. I'm proud of you. I'm lucky to have you." Over time, those words disappear, but respect grows where appreciation lives. Sometimes a marriage doesn't need a miracle, it just needs recognition. 3. Stop keeping score. Who apologized last? Who made the bigger sacrifice? Who cares more? Marriage is not a competition. The moment you start counting wins and losses, the relationship already starts losing. 4. Protect the friendship before the romance, before the responsibilities. You were friends. You laughed together. You shared stupid jokes. You enjoyed each other's presence. When couples stop being friends, love begins to feel like work. 5. Choose each other again. Every day. Not just when things are easy, not just when emotions are high. Love that lasts is rarely accidental. It's a daily decision. Saving a marriage is rarely about one big gesture. It's about small moments of care, repeated long enough to rebuild trust. Because sometimes the difference between divorce and forever is simply two people deciding they're not done trying.